This conference will now be recorded.
So today onwards we'll start with the commands, starting with very basic commands. Slowly we'll move to intermediate level, advanced level, and then parallelly shell script also. Okay, so first two classes we completed around 2 hours it took. Those are only fundamental things to come the Unix operating system. Okay, so here general utility commands will do. We are not using Ubuntu operating system, so you are not required. This is only for Ubuntu. We'll use CentOS or Red Hat Linux only. Okay, so basic useful Unix commands. First of all, we'll discuss about few commands which are related to very basic things, how to check the calendar, date, whatever commands we are typing, all those history, then the sleep command, password. Banner is not working nowadays. That is very old command. That is just like a message. If we are typing any message, hi or anything, welcome, in big letter it was displayed earlier. So that feature is deleted nowadays. That banner. In few versions it is present. In almost all the flavors and version that is removed. Okay, so first one is cal command. Cal date command. We'll go to this Unix box. Under VMware, this is installed. This is a CentOS flavor. We'll send the software link. You can install, you can download so that we can install within 1-2 sessions. This is the best one for practice, CentOS flavor. So many new features are added here. So direct in this CentOS we can work, or we can connect the CentOS through PuTTY also. Okay, so PuTTY is one third-party tool. So many tools are available, but this PuTTY is very small one, and many companies are using this tool only, PuTTY tool. So here already configured, just need to give the password, host name or IP address. Port is by default 2222, and one name we can give here, then save that. Direct it will work. So already it is saved. Then we can open CentOS. Login password. Right click, change setting, appearance, change. This will increase the font size. So 20, 26 suppose I'm giving. Apply. ELER is one command. Enter, it will clear the screen. So first of all, going to one folder or directory, there only we can work. Using cd command, we'll see that later, how what is cd command and how to go. Okay, so these are few directories and files available here. Same thing we can see in this server also. How to check? Right click, open terminal, then go to the same path, Unix ls. Same we are getting here. Okay, so instead of working directly in this server, we can connect through this PuTTY. This is the good one. Okay, CLER clear, it will clear the screen. So first command is cal command. Cal, enter. So what it is displaying? It is displaying the calendar. So in that calendar, which year and which month is coming? Current month and current year it is coming. Current month is June month. Current year is 2021. That calendar it is displaying. So the starting one is which day? Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So only two characters it is displaying for that day, starting with Sunday. So the week it is considering as Sunday to Saturday, complete week it is displaying. And it is highlighted by default in the current date 2. So today is 3 in India, but this software is from some country, US or somewhere. So in that date is 2, night is there. That's why 2 it is displaying. It can be changed also. Okay. Now in that cal command, some parameters are there. -s, if you will give, then what it will display? Same thing we are getting. So what is this -s then? It will display the calendar starting with Sunday. If you are not giving anything also, by default it is displaying from Sunday. Both are same. So by default minus s is the parameter it is considering without giving anything. Now cal minus m. Now what you are observing, it is starting from Monday. Monday to Sunday is the whole week it is displaying. So Tuesday 1, here also Tuesday 1, but starting day is Monday to Sunday. Previously Sunday to Saturday. So by default Sunday to Saturday, if minus s you are giving Sunday to Saturday, minus m if you are giving then Monday to Sunday. Similarly minus t if you will give, then what it will display, can you tell? Or w if you will give?
From Tuesday.
Okay, so T if you will give, then it will start from Tuesday. W if you will give, then it will start from Wednesday. No, not like that. So only two parameters are added, S, M, starting from that day. So why those two are added? Because if week we are telling, then many are considering Sunday to Saturday. Otherwise, some are considering Monday to Sunday. That is only week. Tuesday to Monday, Wednesday to Tuesday, Thursday to Wednesday. Nobody is considering that whole week. Either Monday to Sunday or Sunday to Saturday. That's why these two options are only added. Other options are not added. Then another is cal minus 1. In cal minus 1 also it is displaying the current year and current month. So 1, what is that then? 1 is for 1 month. Okay, only 1 month it is displaying. If you are not giving anything here, only cal, also only 1 month it is displaying. So by default minus 1 also it is taking as parameter. Minus 1 and minus s. If you are not giving also, same thing it is displaying. Only 1 month and starting from Sunday. Now if we will give cal minus 3, then what will happen? Enter. 3 months it will display. So how those 3 months will come? One will be previous month, May 2021. In middle, current month, and in right side, next month. So last month, current month, and next month. In this way, 3 months it will display. That is cal minus 3. Okay. So similarly, if we are giving cal, suppose minus 5, then what it will display?
Before previous 2 months and next 2 months and current month.
Okay. No, this is also not available. So minus 1, minus 3, these two are available. Either it can display only 1 month, current month, or previous, current, and next. These two parameters are added. Other parameters are not added. Invalid option. Option means parameter. Parameter means argument. Option, parameter, argument, these three are same name. So this option is not available. That's why it is not displaying. Okay, how we will check which options are available? Main is one command, and after that command name we can give. So it will display this main command. Main is a command to use for help purpose of any other commands. So we can able to know what exactly that command. So it is displaying cal command. Display a calendar. It will display calendar. Synopsis means syntax. So first of all, it is displaying the description, what exactly this is. Second, it is displaying the syntax, how to write cal. After that, any parameter we can give. Just now we have given some parameters, s, then m, then 1, 3. These are some parameters, j, y. After that, day, month, year, that also it can be given. Now some description in details it is giving with all the options or parameter. Minus 1, it will display only single month. Minus 3, 3 months. For scroll down, arrow key you can use. Arrow, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow. S starting from Sunday, M starting from Monday, J it will display Julian date, Y it will display year, then V it will display version information and exit. So the version details it will display. So out of all this, each and every commands are having some parameters or options. Some are having 5 parameters, some are having 20, some are having 30, some are having 50. So all those are not required and cannot cover in the session. Which are required for interview as well as in the real-time project, everywhere frequently used, everything we'll discuss in the session. And which are not required, and nobody is asking in interview, those are not required, nothing is used in the project level, we can ignore also. If you want all those, then find out some free time and you can just explore on that, but those are not required. In your free time only you can do that. Okay, so these are few parameters. So here you can see -5 is not there, -w, t are not there. So how it will work? It will not work. Okay, so if you are not understanding anything, any parameter, you can check from this man command also. Okay, how to quit this man command? Just type q, it will come out, quit. Okay, now we can give cal -y. -y if you will give, then whole year it will take as calendar and display. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Whole 12 months. And we are not mentioned anywhere till now. All the commands we are giving cal related, not mention any year. So if you will not mention any year, by default current year only it will take 2021. Now if you will mention 2022 or 2000 or 19, suppose we are giving 71. Suppose somebody birthday you are checking 1971. What was the day? This is for 1971. January to December. Suppose we are going to check August 15. What was the day? Sunday it was. We can check from here also. So if except other than current year we are checking, then here we have to mention. If you are not going to check the year, current year only we want to display, then no need of mention any year. Direct it will come by default current year only. Okay, so this is -y and another is -j. -j if you are giving, then only 1 month it is displaying with Julian dates. What is Julian date? Julian date means month are starting from January 1 to 31. 1 to 31 is January. After that again 1 to 28 February. So Julian date if you will see, then it will not stop in 31. It will continue. February 1 will be 32, 33, 34, 35. Like that it will end in 59 in February. In March it will start from 60. 60 to 31 dates, so 91 or 90, like that it will go. And December 31st will be 365. So it will start from 1 and in 365. That is called as a Julian dates. Okay, so how to display the Julian dates? -j you have to give. It will display the Julian dates. So only cal command we have given and -j. So current date only it is taking, the current month. So current month is June. It is starting from Sunday to Saturday, and Tuesday this is one day. 150 means starting day is June 1, 152, 153, 154, like that it is coming, ending in 181. Now whole year we want to see 2021. Starting from 1 to up to 31, then 32 started up to 59, 60 to 90, 91 to 120, April month, May month up to 151, like that it will continue, and last is December, complete in 365. Other year also we can give 2019 or 2019 it is displayed. Okay, so these are the options or parameters available in cal command. These are very basics only. I think no doubt from anybody. Very basic commands. Any doubt? Cal. Next is history. Okay, in history command, what it will display? In history command, it will display the list of recently executed commands. One minute. Okay, yeah, other two are joining the call. Okay, Rahul, you joined now?
Yeah, sir, I have joined.
Okay, so this is one command, history command we have given. So Rahul, if you have not joined first two classes, so just go through today if you have not gone through. If
Okay.
each and every class you will attend, then only you can link all the topics. Otherwise, little bit missing type you will feel. Okay, so today
Yeah,
already we
definitely I
started
will
with
go
the
it.
command. Today we started with commands, very basic commands. One command we completed, that is cal. Now second command we are doing history commands. Okay, so history, enter. What it is displaying? Recently executed history means commands. So which commands recently we have executed? Last we executed is history. Just now I executed, just before 1 second or 2 seconds. That is displaying in last. Now cal. Previous to that, this command we executed. Previous to that, this command. So previous to that, previous, like that it is displaying. So total how many commands it is displaying? 535 commands. So recently it is having some memory or some size till how many commands it will display, that of that. Suppose here I am increasing or decreasing the size. Suppose go to change setting, appearance, change this 26 size we can do 10. Now again we can give history. You can just observe history 535. So here in this operating system which we are using, 535 is maybe set. Somebody said that in this software. That's why it is coming up to 535 only. So if you are increasing, decreasing, no matter, it will display up to 535. But from when it is starting, it is started from 283. If it is a small size, 287 to 535. Now we can again increase this size. 26. So after increasing the size, 287 it was coming. Now it started from 317, but last is 535 only. It is coming. Okay. Now again, if you will give history, 535 317. Okay. So the starting number is changing. Ending will be same only. Some limits is deducting, but it is means displaying up to last command with some commands. It is restricted with some lines or some history, means it will take 500 or 300 or 1000 or something. It will display. Okay, so here what we are getting in this history command, it will display the recently executed commands which are recently executed within 15-20 days or 1 month or 2 months with some limitation which is already means set here. Now we don't want to see all those commands. We want to see recently executed 50 commands or 10 commands or 30 commands. Then we can give history plus 50. So last 50 commands only it will come. So history already we executed. Now some other we are giving history plus 50. So last 50 only it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. It started from 368. So 368 to 536. It is total 50 commands. So any number of commands we can display 100, 80, 30, 20, 1, 2, any number of commands we can display. Just we have to mention plus that number, plus 10, plus 20, plus 55, plus 100, plus 95, anything we can give. Okay, so this is about history commands. Only one parameter is required, how many we want to display. Next one is date command. Date enter. It will display the current date and time. So what is the current date? June 3. So this is from other country, this software. It is set as June 2. Night is there in USA or some other country. So June 2 it is displaying. Wednesday. Then 21/10/32. Night time is there, 9 p.m. something. Then PDT, some country code, that PDT it is coming time zone. And year is 2021. so that it is displaying in the date. Okay, now in this date, so many parameters are there. Those are very important. 4-5 parameters we can do here, and rest of the parameters you can do today for your practice. So date, how to use the parameters of date command, plus symbol you can give, percentile symbol, capital A you can give. Wednesday, so day it is displaying in full length. Full name of the day, current day. Today is Wednesday. In this software, it is in some other country, night time is there, Wednesday. Here in India, Thursday. So Wednesday it is displayed. Now small a, short name of that day, Wednesday, Wed. Similarly, capital B, June, month it is displaying. Small b, JUN, short name in 3 characters. Capital C, 20. See, century it is displaying, 20th century. Now we are in 2021, so this is the 20th century. Now small c, again it is displaying the date. So capital C is displaying century and small c is displaying the date and time. So only date it is displaying date and time, and this C also it is displaying date and time. Now little bit format is changed. Wednesday 02 June 2021, but here 2021 it is coming last. But everything is same only, just plus minus left right, little bit format is changed. Next, date, capital D. It is displaying the date in this format. Month in 2-digit slash, then date in 2-digit slash, year in 2-digit forward slash. Now small d, only date it is displaying. Now capital E, nothing is displaying. Percentile E means this parameter is not available. Now small e, 2, only date it is displaying. 0 also not coming, only 2 it is coming, date. Okay, like that A to Z it is available. Few are not available, like E, capital E is not available. Similarly, few are not available, 5, 7, those will not work. In this type of message you will get. Apart from that, many are available. So up to end it is not required. Up to D, E, F, that is fine. That is only enough for your practice or for your interview purpose or anywhere you can use. But if you want to learn more for your practice, then you can do up to Z. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, up to Z you can do practice today. And if you are not able to understand, just check here in main command DATE. Okay, so here C, C, D, D, E, E you can see, capital E is not available. That's why it is not displayed. Small e is available. Now capital F, small f is not there, so it will not display. Full date it is displaying, capital F. G, G, H, H, capital. Small I is not there, capital I is there. J, K, L, M, M capital, N, N, P, P, Q is not there, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V only capital, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. So find out some free time and A to Z you can do just for your practice only. All these are not required or you cannot remember also, a lot of things are there. Okay, so this is about date command. Another is sleep command. Okay, so before going to sleep command, last class we discussed yesterday. Have you gone through or remember what is called as compound command? Anybody can tell compound command? You attended. Ravi, you attended. Sai, Kiran and Ravi. Punita also attended. No, Punita maybe not attended. So Ravi, can you tell what is compound command? Sai, Kiran. Prakash, you know compound command, what is that?
You can say it's a combination of two or more yeah, unitary commands.
Okay, so any command we are writing, combine this. Cal is a command, date is a command. Then we can say any other command, suppose ls also, like that. Multiple commands if you are giving, then it is called combinedly a compound command. So here one command is completed means semicolon we have to give, then another command, semicolon, another command. In that way you can write. So this operating system will understand that this first command is completed here. Then it will execute second command completed here. Then it will execute third command completed here. Enter. Okay. Now what it is displaying? Cal command output first it is displaying. Then date command output second it is displaying. Then ls command output next it is displaying. So one by one it is displaying. Immediately it is displaying, no break. Immediately after displaying this, within fraction of second this, then immediately this. Now suppose multiple commands or compound commands we are giving, but we want some break in between these two commands wherever it is displayed. We want some pause. In that case, sleep command we need to give. So sleep is also important. Whenever you are writing big program, at that time, so many script commands will include in a program, and immediately all those output will come, then we cannot observe in our monitor. So after one command or one script, you can give some pause, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, like that. That's why sleep command is required. Sleep direct we cannot give. If any command is already there, means compound command, multiple commands, multiple scripts, then in middle we can plop somewhere sleep. So here we can give suppose sleep, and we can give some time, 5, means 5 seconds it will halt, or it will sleep, or it will pause. That is called as sleep command. So after cal command output, it will pause for 5 seconds, then it will display the next command. That is the use of sleep command. It will just go for pause of this second. Date. After date again we want to pause, then sleep. Any second you can mention, suppose 3 seconds. Again after displaying date command, it will pause for 3 seconds or halt for 3 seconds, then it will display ls command out. In that way it will display. Pause now, you can observe. Now it displays date command. Now again pause 3 seconds. Now it displays ls command. This is the use of sleep command. Okay, so cal, these are very essential commands and very basic level. Cal, date, history, sleep, return. Banner nowadays it is not using, it is removed from many versions and flavors. So how it will display? In one big text size it will display, 30, 40 text size, font size will be increased, and in some graphical way, banner type it will display. Next is password. So using this PASSWD, operating system password can be changed. PASSWD, enter. So here it is asking current Unix password. So I am not changing the password. It will ask the current password, you have to type. Then again if you will enter the new password, it will ask, this is the current password you have to give. Next new password it will ask. After giving enter, again it will ask re-enter new password. Then again if you will enter re-enter new password and enter, then it will be changed successfully. Then that new password you have to use, not this old password. Like in other places, any application, anywhere you are changing the password, your desktop password, same thing only. Cancel, control C. Anything you are not going to type something, but you are not going to execute, we want to cancel, or something is going or running, then control C, it will cancel and it will come to the command prompt. Control L, it will clear the screen. Okay, so these are some very basic level of commands. Next is login related commands. These are 6 commands available related to login. Who am I, W, log name, last, finger. Okay, so who will display? Who are currently logged into the operating system? All those details it will display. Who am I? It will display. I am asking myself, so my login details only it will display. W will display who related only, but something extra who are not available currently. That information also it will come. Log name, our login name, last and finger. Last, recently who logged in. Finger, who command means who are logged in with the address also, office address. So these are 6 login related commands. Now we can go here. First of all, who am I? I am giving. I am asking my login details. Who am I? Asking myself. It will display this one. Admin is my login name. I am working in this terminal. Then 2021-06, this date and time I logged in. Then IP address, this one I am using. This is the Unix server IP address which I am using. So this is my login details. Login name, terminal name. What is terminal? Whenever we are logging to our Unix server, we have to work in a terminal only. In first class we discussed it is not having A drive, B drive, C drive, D drive and all. This is a terminal. If we want to open another terminal, right click terminal, right click terminal, right click terminal. So these are different terminal. Okay, so in one terminal we can execute one program, in another terminal we can execute another program, in another terminal we can execute another program. Like the 20 terminals we can open and 20 tasks we can do parallelly. That's why we can tell it as a multitasking also, multi-user. One terminal you can think one user also. We are the one user but opening multiple terminals. So we can consider different users also. So multi-user, multitasking. Multitask you are doing means automatically or by default multi-processing also. Multiple process will be generated. How to check the terminal details? Just keep TTY. So all terminals are present under this directory structure. So root, in second class we discussed yesterday, starting point is root. Under the dev device files will be present. Under that PTS is one directory, under that one. So this one is your terminal name under PTS1. Now here if you will go TERM, TTY, PTS3, this is terminal number 3. Now here TTY, terminal number 4, like that another we open, TTY, terminal number 2. Okay, now we can go to this putty, TTY, terminal number 0. So first time we means connected this through putty. Then I open different terminal here. That's why first one is 0. After that it will be 1. Next terminal will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that it will go. So first we log into our Unix server, then connected through this putty. So first terminal is 0. Then I open some other terminals here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it is coming. Now if you will check here, who command means who are currently logged into this Unix server. Maybe one user with multiple terminals or different user with different terminals or different user with single terminal. Whatever it is there. How many terminals are there? All those details it will be. So TTY1. TTY1 is by default system also opening one terminal. We cannot see that whenever we are opening our Unix server, Linux operating system, system also working with one terminal because here C drive, D drive, E drive concept is not available. We are using some terminals. System also using some terminals. So that system terminal is TTY1. And from this onwards, we have opened. I opened this. In putty, I opened one terminal, so PTS0. After that, in the server, I opened one terminal in this Unix box. One terminal, that is PTS1. Which one? This one, PTS1. After that, I opened this one, PTS2. After that, I opened another one, PTS3 somewhere. PTS3. After that, some other open PTS4. This is PTS4. Like that, 4 terminals we have open 1, 2, 3, 4. So all those it is displayed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, if you will open another one, it will be 5. Like that, no restriction. Any number of terminals we can open. And now, wherever we are able to see here TTY1, that is the system open terminal, we are not able to see, not visible. Others are opened by the user. So I am the only one user working here. My username is admin. I have given the admin username. Don't confuse, admin name is different, but I have given my username as admin. Okay, so here you can give your name also, Prakash or Om, anything you can give while installing. So admin is coming, the same admin user is only opened so many terminals, 5 terminals. Now which terminal opened in which date and time, that it is displaying. 2021 June 2, 8:52, 8:53, 9:22, 9:22, 9:22. So these are the time and date these terminals are open. Now in one terminal it is displaying IP address. In all terminal it is not displaying the IP address. In one terminal it is displaying the IP address. So what is that terminal? That terminal we are currently available. So TTY. Here again we can give TTY. So which terminal to display, from which terminal I am giving this TTY command, that terminal name it will display. So 0. So currently I am available in 0 terminal. That's why for this 0 terminal it will display this IP address also. For other terminal it will not display the IP address. For login terminal, or from which terminal I am giving the command, script, executing, working, that terminal only it will display with this IP address. For other terminal, just 000 only it will display. So this is the use of who command. Who are currently logged into this Unix server with same user or different user. Now this is not office, not server, other people are not connected. So if you will use your office server, you will connect to some Unix server and you will see this who command. Then it will be visible with other users also. Rakesh, Prakash, Sony, Sonia, like that. So many usernames will come with different terminals also. Okay, so here one user, that's why one name only it is coming. And in who am I, if you are asking, then in which terminal I am currently logged in and working and asking, that only it will display. So PTS0 I logged in and I am working, I am giving the command. So this line only it is coming. So in login commands, 4, 5 commands are there, 6 commands. Out of all those, the base command is who command. And in this who command only whatever it is getting, out of those, some will be minus, some will be plus, and other commands are derived. So other login commands are derived from who command only. Who is a base login command. In who am I, it is displaying this line only where we are logged in. So this is two command. Now who am I, you can observe. Who am I? This is what type of command? Complex command. Yesterday we discussed. So which command is having more than one word but only one command, that is called as a complex command. It is not like that advanced command. Complex means difficult command. No, they have given the name as complex command which is having more than one word. So who is one word, am is one word, I is one word. That's why this is called as a complex command. Only one command is available in Unix, who am I, which is the complex command. Now this who am I, if we'll write in different way, then how the output will come, you can just check. Who, only am you can give. Sam, am, only am, same result. Now don't give space. Who am I, only login name, my login name it is displaying. Other details it is not displaying. If no space, if space, then other details also coming. If no space, other details not coming. Now who, without space, only am, not am. This is not available. Command not found. So this command is not available. Who am I? Who am I? Am is available with space, without space. With space, all details. Without space, only login name. And who only am I with space, same as am also. Okay, now without space, who am I, if you are writing only login name, it is displaying. Another command is log name. This is also login related command. Here it is also displaying admin. Okay, another command is finger. Finger, it is not added in all operating system software. If you are using in any office software in your project related, then you can see that. So here, what will be the additional things it will come? Whatever it is displaying in who, same thing only it will display. Along with that, the extra columns will be office address, office name, office extension number, landline number, base location number. That it will add 2 or 3 extra columns. Okay, so some address details of office, that is official related only, this finger command. Exactly who command only it will come, but some other columns it will display, which is the office address and location with extension. So that the admin people are configuring, adding that commands with some configuration so that it will display. If it is required in that project level, they will do that. Otherwise, they are also not doing. By default, in software, it is not coming. Okay, so this is one login command. Another is W. W also kind of who command, but some extensions, some extra features are displayed here. Okay, this is W. So in WHO who command, first line summary is not coming. In W command, one summary is coming in first line. This is the time. 43 minutes this server is up. Means I started this Unix server 43 minutes before. So while we started our class, at that time I opened. 43 minutes happened. 6 users are there, 6 terminals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is showing 6 users are there. Load average, no script, no program is going on. So loading is nothing, no memory is taking now. So all are 0. So this is a summary, first line. Second line, column heading it is displaying. In who command, column heading is not coming, column name is not coming. But this is admin direct result only it is coming. Okay, so this is column name, terminal name, all these details, but heading is not there, column heading. In this W command, column heading also coming, user, TTY, from, login @ IDS, JCPU, eCPU, what. So out of all these, few columns are required. User, these are the username. I am only logged in here, admin user, so that is present in who also. TTY, terminal details, here also it is present. In WHO, column heading is not there, but in this W, column heading also there. Now from which IP address it is coming, so which we are logged in and working for that IP address, and for other it is displaying 0. Okay, so that column is extra in W, that column is not available in who. Now login @. So which time it is logged in? 8:51, 20:51. So night 8:51 in some other country. Then 8:52, 8:53, 9:22, 9:22, 9:22 p.m. In those time, all these terminals are open and logged in. This is the login time, login @. Now next is ideal. Okay, so from which time this is ideal? Means not available, not working. We while system is started, TTY is a terminal started by system. After open, the system nothing is doing, so it is ideal. Means away, not doing anything. 43 minutes 32 seconds. 00. We are working in this terminal. It is active, so 0 second. It is running. We are using just now we executed. Terminal 1, from last 8 minutes ideal, we are not working. 8 minutes before we type something, 8 minutes before, 8 minutes before, 8 minutes before. So from this time these are not available. So if you are checking in your office also, 20-30% of your team members, development testers are engaged in the Unix server. Easily you can check that who are not working, who are working. For whom it is displaying 0, they are working. Who are for which it is not displaying 0, 8, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, means they are not working. They are not available in the system. They are not open the terminal, just open and they are away, or they are doing something else. You can easily capture. These are some CPU related, these are not required. And from which path it is coming, bin bash, that is for everybody only, so these are not required. So up to ideal you can remember in this W. So these are the difference between W command and who command. And another is last command. Okay, so last, which logins are there, which login details are there. So one is reboot. So when system is rebooting, this is one user, admin is user, my username, reboot is one user. Okay, so admin and reboot only. So these are the last user recently opened. So I am only one user recently opened with which terminal details that it is displaying, and along with me reboot is one user. Whenever we are booting our system, when starting our system, that user, system reboot. Okay, so last will display this one. So these are some login related commands. Who, where my, W, log name, last, finger. So anybody is asking, can you tell one login related command? So can you explain about login related? All 6 you can tell and explain. Only one everybody is telling. Who everybody know that, but other they are not using, not telling. If no, also they forget. So all these 6 commands you can tell. All these 6 are login related. Okay, any doubt in this login related?
Prakash, what is that PTS? PTS stand for?
PTS, they have given one name for terminal only. One directory is there, PTS. Root is the starting directory. Under the DEV is one directory. Under that PTS, so under PTS directory, they are giving 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all those terminal names. So for terminal only, they have given one directory, PTS. So everywhere full form is not there. For some concepts or some commands, full form is there. For some, it is not there. Just it is given some names only.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so that only it is given with some screenshot and details. W command, log name, last, finger, about terminal also. Okay, next is online manual. So for online manual, first one is what is one command, and next is man command. So in man command, it is displaying how the use of that command, description, then second is syntax, and third is parameters. 3 sections it is displaying in main command. Another command is available, what is, that is also used for help purpose, but in that what is command, it will just display what is the use of that command, first line only, one liner only. Other details it will not display. How to write that syntax will not get in what is, and we will not get the parameter names also. So all are using man command for help purpose. But somebody is asking in interview, all are telling man, so you can tell what is also, because what is also used for help purpose. Why you will miss that? Now we can do what is. One command name we can take, suppose echo. We want to know about echo command. What is echo? So it is displaying the details of echo command, means what is the use of echo command. It will display a line of text. Write arguments to standard output. So these are different definition type. So definition or description of this echo command only it is displayed. Similarly, another command it will give. What is pwd? Pwd command will print the name of current working directory, or it will return working directory name. So these are some description, one liner description. Now man command if you will use echo, it is giving the description here or definition, then synopsis means syntax, how to write, then all the parameters. So 3 types it is giving, 3 sections it is giving, definition, syntax, and all the arguments or options or parameters. It will quit, but in what is only definition or description, other part it will not display. These 2 are using for help purpose. Another is apropos. Okay, so this is not using, nobody is using that, but one command is available, apropos. So what it will display, echo related any other commands are there, then that also it will display. Echo, then 12 ping, less echo, PAM echo, ping, ping 6, all these are echo related. So related means what type of related? Same type of meaning related and same kind of spelling related. If anything is finding out, then all those combinations it will display. Out of all those combinations, we can check which is our requirement. Is this or is this? We can easily understand, okay, this is required. We can take that. Suppose we know some meaning, but we don't know the exact spelling, or we know the spelling, but related to that any other commands are there which will be appropriate for our requirement, we don't know. So in that case, we can take help of apropos. But this is very difficult one, because here 2 3 are displaying fine. If you are using apropos with some other command 100 200 500, this type of related it will display. So difficult to identify which is our requirement also, so nobody is using that. So man is the best command for helper coach. Man, then next is what is next is apropos. So for interview purpose, you can prepare these 3 commands as helper coach. You can tell all are telling man command. You will also tell man command, then you are same with others. You have to be tell something else, some special thing, some extra. Then only you will be top 1 or top 2 in those interview positions. So you can tell 3 answers. But coming to real time uses, man only it will be. Okay, so these are help purpose related commands. What is man apropos? Okay. Okay, next small command we can do uname. Now time is over, so next we'll discuss other commands. Uname. Uname is one command. It will display system details. So I am using Linux operating system. This uname command also having some parameters -i386. Like that, some other parameters are there. We can check man uname. So -a all information it will display. S it will display kernel name. N node name. R kernel release. V kernel version. M machine name. P processor. I hardware platform. O operating system. So these are different options or arguments. So if we don't know anything or not remember, then very best option they have given in this uname command A. All information it will display. Operating system name, then domain name, then version details, processor details, then in which date and time this is developed, then which country details in which year, all those details it is display. If separately we want, then we can give separately uname minus n node or domain as system details, which operating system, then I this processor details, then M that is also related to processing something hardware related. Like that, it will display separately. So if you have not remembered all those things, then -a is the best one. It will display at a time everything. -r also there, kernel release version. So in the CentOS, this is the release version. -v. Okay, so this is about uname command. So which operating system we are using, that details we will get here.
But Prakash, it is showing Linux for uname. It should show Unix, right?
No, this is Linux operating system, not Unix. So Unix, Linux almost same only. In whole time, 40 years before, Unix was there, 40, 50 years before. From 2000 or 1996 onwards, all are using Linux only. Linux is derived from Unix only. So all the commands are sent. Don't Linux is different, Unix is different. Like 40 years or 30 years before, if you will go, black and white TV was there. So nowadays, nobody is using black and white TV. Color TV only all people are using. So same thing you can see in color TV as well as black and white, but some features are added. So in Linux also some features are added. Color combination they have given. That is the main features they have added. In Unix, it was purely black and white. In Linux, color combination is coming. And second, here you can see this is a Linux. So this is one GUI. We can close all this terminal. How to quit the terminal? Exit. Exit is the command. So this is a Windows, it's a GUI you can say. It is not 100% GUI, but this feature added in the Linux, computer, admin, trash, Unix. So this is the desktop. In this desktop, I created one folder Unix. Go into that. Under that, these are different files and folders are created. C is one directory. Under that, this is a file. So we can go like this. But whenever we are doing all those copy, movement, all those things, we have to use the commands only. So these are few things added as graphical user interface. Right click, open in terminal, create a folder. Few things only. We cannot do more work using the GUI. Just for small things, they have given one option. Okay, so mostly we have to use the commands only. So this facility was not available in Unix operating system. In Linux, they have added these features. And another is color combinations, red, then blue, green, yellow, all those colors also coming. In Unix, it was purely black and white. Linux is derived from Unix source.
But both are same in terms of work.
Yes, in terms of work, both are same. So nowadays, Unix nobody is using in the company. All are using Linux. In terms of work, both are same.
Okay.